Hi there, I am Summer and welcome to Elevate Beauty Company. Today we're going to do something just a little bit different and I'm going to talk to you about beautifying your home. I'm going to take you on a tour of my boys' room. They are 9 and 7 and I'm going to show you what I did to make their two different personalities come together to make one cohesive look in their bedroom. And I'm going to spill the beans on the one item that has completely saved my sanity and helped them to keep their room clean. Like I said, my boys are 9 and 7, so they have completely different personalities. My one son loves porgs and Star Wars.
11 and Bendy and the ink machine.
So he's actually sitting right here playing Legos right next to me while we record this. Maybe he'll make a special appearance, but he also loves to read and just kind of have some quiet time to himself. My other son is 7 and he loves sports. So he is all about baseball and football and trading cards. He loves Legos and he loves playing with cars. So he's super active. And so I had to find a way to marry their two personalities and make one cohesive design for their room. I went with an industrial kind of metal and wood mixture. When you're doing a room design, it's important to incorporate several different textures. That's going to help make the space interesting. It will help you to be able to incorporate different pieces that you might like that come from different stores and design styles. So we went with that industrial galvanized metal. We also have a lot of wood in here. We've got grays and navy blues and blacks and white and porgs to kind of make it broad enough to where we can incorporate those two styles that they both enjoy, but have it still look cohesive. So I'm going to take you on a tour around, show you. One of the things that has absolutely saved my sanity and saving my family hours of frustration is getting the boys their very own set of BEDDY'S bedding. It has completely transformed our lives. The kids are happier, they're able to make their beds in a matter of seconds. They simply just zip their bed up and down to get in and out and to make their bed in the morning. So basically BEDDY'S is a one-piece bedding system. It includes the comforter, it has the top sheet inside, it has the bottom sheet connected. It's one complete piece. So I'm going to show you that right now. It's basically like one fitted sheet. So everything is connected. You take your fitted sheet and you just place it on the mattress. You zip up the sides and it's done. It's so easy to use. So let me move these over real quick and show you a little closer. So when you unzip your Beddy bedding system, it has this really nice, soft, minky fabric. My son is sensitive to textures and clothes and tags and all of that, so he absolutely loves how soft and minky this is. It makes him feel comfortable and safe, and he's able to sleep really well. And that bottom sheet is just like a regular sheet. It's that really nice, beautiful cotton. and it has this large, easy to zip zipper. The cool thing is that for those of you who like to sleep with your zipper unzipped, maybe you wanna say hi?
Hi.
Do you love your beddies?
Yep.
For those of you who like to sleep maybe with your covers a little bit looser or with your leg, I've got an Ewok joining us, or with your leg out, it has a little bit of an overhang that comes out. So it's not like a cool breeze can get in here when it's really cold. It has that overhang so it feels just like a normal top sheet. This zipper has a really easy to pull zipper. Nothing gets stuck. The zipper actually goes all the way around, down the side, down the foot of the bed, and then actually up. So you can take this completely off. If for some reason your child didn't want a top sheet that day, they can just sleep like this. It makes for really simple and easy washing because you just unzip that top sheet and you can wash them in the same one, or if you have a smaller dryer and washer, you can wash them separately. My kids absolutely love them. They have so many fun patterns. This one worked perfectly in our room because we did the black and gray and white. It also comes with a pillow sham, this really cute decorative pillow, and it comes with a pillowcase as well. So we are huge fans of BEDDY'S. I will link them down below in the video, so if you wanted to check them out and go shopping for yourself, they come in all sizes, all colors, and they're all amazing.
Goodbye, people.
Thanks so much for joining us for our bedroom reveal. We hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna be revealing more rooms in our home and giving you more details on what we did as far as decorating and organizing our brand new home in Arizona. So thanks so much for joining us, and we will see you next time.
Bye-bye, walks and poor people.